My name is Arjanetta Gilliard, Human Resources Manager with MTU America, which is located in Graniteville, South Carolina. We are a assembler of diesel engines. We're a division of Rolls-Royce. These are industrial engines for the off-highway market. Our technical positions that we have at MTU are engineers in the manufacturing area, the electrical area, industrial as well. We also have reliability engineers. They look at metallurgy, they look at how our engines run as well as failures that we have in our engines. Another group of engineers is in the research and development area. They are working on engines that have not been produced yet. One of the most important things I can tell you guys as students as you get ready for your careers and what you want to do for the rest of your life is to get involved and value the education that you're getting now, because it can only help you as you go forward. We understand college may not be for everybody, but you can still learn and get a skill set so that you can apply it later.
My name is Paul Wiley. I'm the Senior Production Supervisor of Large Parts Manufacturing and the Apprenticeship Coordinator at MTU America. Our apprenticeship program teaches the students how to use hands-on tooling, manual lathes, manual mills, blueprint reading. 2 days a week they come to the plant and work 4 hours a day during their school year, and during the summertime they work a 40-hour work week like a regular employee. During that time they are paid and they work hand in hand with a full-time MTU employee, learning all the skills that would be needed on the job. Students that graduate our apprenticeship program and come to work full-time at MTU have the opportunity to continue their education through our tuition reimbursement program. Several of our apprentices have gone through the program and have graduated and now are going or have gone to local colleges and got degrees in maintenance and working on degrees in engineering.
When you get experience prior to graduating college, then that gives you a one-up when it comes to competing for those jobs in the future. And so the best experience is hands-on work experience, and that's when you're able to take your school knowledge as well as your work knowledge and mold them together. Very important as a young person right now to think about what you're doing. There are consequences to all of your actions. And so one of the most important things you can do is obey the rules, study hard, get your work done, see what's available to you as far as getting work opportunities so you can know what you want to do in the future.